What up? Update on the life. So we're currently running a waffle on this guy. 40 slots sold, 160 to go. And on top of that, I'm getting the Wait for the Fame decal put on today. I really wish I could show you guys that in this video, but I think most likely it's going to be too late to show you. But here's a picture of what it's going to look like. It's going to have the same color pattern as the rims, so I think it's going to sit really nicely. And I'm probably going to take off this life logo and put like WBTF back here. And now that that's going to get done, that means I can start making the merch, because if you don't know, this is also free shipping and every single entry is going to get some free merch. So I'm going to throw in some license plate brackets. I'm making some bags, I'm making some t-shirts. J Monet is gonna make some prints. She has like a really like high-tech printer, and she's gonna do prints with some frames, so people are gonna get like a drawing of the life with the decal and all that stuff. So that's gonna start next week, because in today's video we're gonna do an unboxing of some JDM parts I ordered from Japan. And then along, I'm gonna show you guys this book that has some crazy Kei Truck builds. I'm gonna try to show you guys as much as I can in this, because really this could be an entire video. Like, look, some of the newer Daihatsu, some of the newer Suzukis, look at that. They got rims, tires, everything. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple pages of this, some of my favorite. But I definitely wanna do an unboxing of this, because I ordered 4 things. 2 of them you guys might not care about, but 2 of them I think you guys are actually gonna be like, why did you know about this? How did you know about this? And where can I get one? So that's what we're gonna do. So the first thing we're gonna look at is this book. Shout out to Toshi Imports. He actually gave me this when I went on my 1,000-mile road trip. I met him in Washington, DC. He just gave me this for free. He said I would love it. And I was just looking at it throughout that trip, and I was like, nah, I gotta show you guys some of this. So look how cool it is for the newer trucks. Like, this is a hijet right here. And look at all the aftermarket stuff you can get. You can get newer reverse lights, cup holders, black antenna holders. They got some like seat covers, steering wheels. This is like a dream book right here. Look, we got the Jimny gang. We got some girl models. Look at that exhaust right there. This kid is sexy. It looks like my Suzuki Carry out there in Hawaii. But here you got some more stuff, some body kits, some rims. Look at this gold truck there. Do you even have like turbo kits and some other stuff? Like, look at this. Wastegates, turbos, over fenders. Like, I really could spend an entire day showing this. So I'll just show you guys, you know, some of the stuff. Let you drool over this just like I did. Where's the other stuff? Oh yeah, look at this guy. This is like one of the coolest trucks. You guys know how much I love Jimneys. So this has like a Jimny front end, but it's still a Kei truck. Like, you see how it looks like a Suzuki? Then it has like a camper build up there. Like, bruh, I cannot wait to 2047, or maybe the laws would change by then, hopefully. But how crazy would it be to get a Kei truck like this that you could just climb up, camp, enjoy all your fun stuff? We got a surfer one over here. Like, bruh, I don't even know what to show you and what not to show you. Look at this. Sparkle seats in a deck van. Coilover kits for some trucks. Look at these Jimneys, man. These Jimny Suzukis. Tell me this. Comment below right now. This is not the coolest truck. Like, I know I'm a little biased on Jimneys, but look at that front end. And it's a jumbo. You got that additional cab there. What else is here? Some rims. It's not that exciting to me, though. More deck vans. More Daihatsu stuff. The talk of the town right now is that Jimny. But what else is here? They got some kits. Some stuff you could do. They have a Raptor lining page. Oh, look at this. Look at this little skeleton back here. Whoa. If anybody needs some inspiration, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. I'll send you guys some pictures of the stuff they're doing out there. Because look at this. Crazy build over there. Over fenders. Look at the older Suzuki. Something we can actually... Oh, this is not even that old, but something we can admire. Got the angry lights, coilovers. Look at that exhaust. Oh, man. Oh, look, an older Suzuki again. Shout out to this guy. This is something that we could actually build. All these other ones are way too new. And that's pretty much it. Oh, old Kei trucks again. I'm going to translate this page, actually. Oh, they got a YouTube link right there. Let's see who this is. I'm going to Google Translate that page, because this is the end of it here. But look at this. All the Acti homies. Coilovers, a lip, spoiler, over fenders. It's all right here. That guy did it. The Suzuki guys, look. Colored handles, lip, front little spoiler, I guess. Coilover, spoiler. The parts are out there. Even look at this Suzuki. This is the main page right here. I should just spend a whole day on this, because this side we don't really get just yet. But we have this Kei truck. We have all these guys here. And the prices aren't that bad either if you're looking. So let's see. Let's Google Translate this really quickly and see, what does this page say? So I just looked it up and it basically said that there was a big event on October 4th. I think that's how they do the dates, 2023. And there's going to be a YouTuber there. It was in Osaka. I'll show you guys on the screen right now. This is just my memory. But there was a K-Truck meet. Maybe one day I'll attend one of these bad boys. But here's the book. I'll show you guys a translation of this front too. Pretty sick. Shout out to Toshi. Let's open this box now and show you what's in here. All right, so let's start this unboxing. In here, there's 4 or 5 things. There's some Motocompo stuff. I'll probably give that away too for free. I ordered 2 things that are, like I said, are insane, and I don't even know how I found them or why I bought them, and they're expensive. I think they're like 80 bucks. And then I got 2 other things that are also expensive for no reason that I'm probably never gonna use, but as a K-car fanatic, I just had to buy it. You'll see it in a second, but it's fire. It's super fire. Ooh, I got some free stuff too. I got some snacks, so that's cool. But let me show you guys what I purchased. This is last. That's not that important. This is very important. This I'll show you first. I'll show you that first. This is, again, very important to the side. And then, what is this? Oh, am I missing something? I don't know what this is. Let's look at this first. I don't even know what this is. I didn't get anything long and flat. Long and flat. What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what? I didn't order this. This is some Motocompo stuff. Where's my phone? I'll show you guys. It'll look better, but I did not order this. So this is some Motocompo box figurine thing. I didn't order this. I'm gonna show you guys a picture on the screen of what I ordered. I don't know what the hell this is. I just got G'd. Japan people scammed me. I don't know what this is. I was supposed to get like one of the little like figurines thing, not this little flat paper. We're not off to an amazing start right now, I'm not gonna lie, but the next thing I show you guys, you're gonna be like, wow, I probably didn't even know this existed. This thing is super cool. Let me be fragile, because this was, I think this was over $100 for something I could never use. I'm never gonna play. It's honestly probably a waste of money, but like I said, if I'm gonna be the K guy and I'm gonna crown myself that, I need to purchase stuff like this. So let's get this tape off. Waste of money where? Let me just pull this off. I don't care anymore. Waste of money where? So this here is a game called Cat's Run that only features K-cars. So you got the Jimny, the Today, the Vivio, AZ1, Cappuccino, Beat, Topo, Alto, Topo again, and then a Wagonar. And in this game, you kind of really just drove around and like raced and like, you know, I don't even know. I'm probably never gonna play it. But the reason I got this was, like I said, I just want to get everything K. Everything super rare, everything K. I feel like K cars have, you know, I'm not rich or blessed or anything like that, but it's taking me places that, you know, I probably would have never been able to go if it wasn't for my love and dedications for K cars. So that's really what this is. You see it says K car battle race. This is what the actual game looks like. Nintendo in the back. Here's the box again. It's a little damaged right here. I wish it wasn't, but yeah, this thing is sick. They're going for like $200-300 on eBay, and I was like, I found this one for 80 in Japan, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just bite the bullet. So that's what this is. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I mean, come on, look at that little Jimny, that Today, that Vivio. Like, this thing is just beautiful. Like, I really just wanted the box. I also bought this. This is just the game itself, so I'll probably do a raffle with this because it still looks cool. You still get all the cars and stuff, but I really cared about the box. So even this, I think, was like $60-70. Maybe I'll eventually buy one of those systems and play it on like a video, and we could see me racing the Jimnys and all the K cars I've ever had before. And then in here we have two. This is my favorite thing that I got. This I didn't even know existed, but I stay on Yahoo auctions and I stay just watching videos on like weird little quirky Japanese things that I can afford, because looking at like TEs and Rays and stuff like that, that's not really fun to me. What's fun to me is buying stuff like this. So this, oh my God, seeing this in person makes it even, we're definitely gonna test this out today too. But this is a ETC reader. So an ETC reader in America is pointless, But in Japan, this is basically like their toll collector. So it's like their Easy Pass. You put your card inside, and when you go over tolls, it makes a sound, and you know, you pay your tolls. But here, what it is basically just a flex. And I'm gonna connect this today, and we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna see if it works, because it's a Hello Kitty ETC reader, because Hello Kitty speaks to you. Usually it's like a Japanese lady or a Japanese guy or something. But in this one, it's Hello Kitty speaking to us. I got 2 of them. This one is pink, and this one also looks pink. I thought I got a different color. It comes in pink, white, and purple. Let's see which one looks easier to set up. That one's kind of hard to set up. Let's see what this is about. Yeah, I got 2 pink ones. So maybe I'll do a free giveaway on one of these bad boys too. But these are cool. Like this ETC reader up here, I think does nothing for us. But we have 2 of them. I'm show you guys what it looks like on my phone. Gets a better look of it. Hello Kitty ETC reader. Hello Kitty ETC reader number 2. So let's connect this. Let's put it to the positive and negative. This is the ground right there. And let's see if it talks to us. All right, so we got the ETC reader here. We're gonna get content power. The real way to do this is that I would wire it into my radio. I did that with the Jimny and it worked perfectly fine. But for experimental purposes, we're gonna put this here. We're gonna put this on here. And Hello Kitty should speak to us. Come on. Let's hear that one more time. Let's hear that one more time. And that, my friends, is why I bought it. Who doesn't want to hear Hello Kitty when they start their JDM car? I don't care if I can't use it in America. Look how cute this is. I'll probably hide it under my Honda Beat or something like that. Put it under here. Somewhere where it's not visible, but it's visible enough where they would see it. Yeah, right there would be perfect. It's like you can see the Hello Kitty, but it isn't in your face. Like, I'm not going to put it here. That's too obnoxious. I'm not going to put it there. That's too obnoxious. But the way I had it on my Jimny was like right there. It was hidden, but you could still see it. And this one is bright pink. It's beautiful. Let's check if this one works now. I definitely got to get more of these, so I hope that making this video isn't going to drive up the price of the Hello Kitty ETC readers. But let's see here. Can we go 2 for 2? Oh my god, that's such a W. I'm going to put a card inside now and see if it says anything different. Because on my ETC reader, when I had a card inside, it would speak differently. So let's see. Because I'm pretty sure it's telling you like, hey, make sure you have your card inside or something like that. Someone let me know in the comments. But we put my debit card inside. Let's see if we get any other sounds or any other something special come out of this. I told you. I told you. She's still going? Oh, that's actually going. Oh, it's making a sound. Oh, it probably wants me to connect the other thing in. But look, we get a different type of her speaking when there's a card inside. We get a nice little chime. Look at that chime. So yeah, that's really my JDM unboxing. But I'm ending this video here. If you already entered to win the Honda Life, thank you. If you haven't already, it's all good. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.